right, what's going on? We're gonna knock this out fast, man. I want to be in and out 5 minutes, man. Let me get your undivided attention. Okay, let's see what happened today on the 4th of March. This is what I was looking at. This is what was moving pre-market. Um, we'll start with ZZAN. Okay, so this is what the daily looks like. My plan was to buy it at 90. And it had a potential intraday breakout, and it did, but it was a very weak breakout, as we could see. Where's my, here it is. When it just broke out to here, and it was done. Okay, so here's where I wanted it, down here at 90. By the time that I noticed that it failed all the way down to 90, I was already, where's my cursor? I was already gone and out and about doing. So I never got to trade this one. This one probably would not have been very good. It did pull back a little deeper and come back, but I didn't trade this one. So I just kind of let life move on with that. But it was clear as day that this was, it had some hype early and just couldn't sustain it. Okay, so didn't end up trading that one. DYNT. Basically, I wanted this one at $2. This is the daily. Look at this thing down way up here, and it's just fading. And so pre-market, this is what it looked like. This is why I wanted it there. It's because you can see here, this is this $2 pivot. I should have probably snapped more of the screen, but it is what it is. I just saw this as an opportunity at $2, and within the first, 15 minutes, where's my cursor? There you go. In the first 15 minutes, it came in here, and it ran actually up to 245-ish, something like that. Malik, quiet, please. Okay, it ran up to 245-ish or something like that. And then it came back, and then it retested 2. And I had an order set in for the retest of 2, but I just chose not to because it would just look slow and weak. And I was just like, man, this thing ain't gonna do like it did here, touch and run. We don't really want that slow go down further, which it did down to 190-ish, I think, and then it ran from there to it made a good little run back to the 15 minute, the 20 minute MA, 20 MA on the 15-minute chart. But anyhow, did not catch that one. The only reason why I didn't take this is because I don't trade in the first 15 minutes. I'm good. I've seen too many crazy things happen. I'm good. Too much volatility. AIM, okay. Again, this is another one I wanted at $2. It had a 250 intraday breakout, and this is what it did. So it came in here. I didn't grab this breakout. I was waiting for it to come back and test VWAP. I got in right here at 250. The problem was that it pulled back too deep. Okay, it pulled back too deep and it was down here, and I didn't get out when it got down here. I just kind of let it, catch its breath, so to speak. And then I got out right here at like 255 because I didn't know, this is an ugly candle, right? You don't know that this is going to happen. You are hoping that it's going to happen, but hope is not a strategy. So when it breached my entry point and went too far back, I knew that this was going to be like a break-even trade. I was just basically waiting for it to pull back to, where I got in at and got out. But it ended up running up here to 275-ish, looks like. So it ended up making a move. It just took, if I got in here, that was what, 15, 30, 45, an hour 15, hour 30. So basically it took 2 hours before it really did what you wanted it to do. When it would have been nice if this candle could just be moved up, meaning the bottom of this candle being right here at the VWAP and it walking back up to 270. That's what I expected it to do, this, but at VWAP, not all the way down to the 15, or I should say the 20 MA on the 15-minute time frame. So I got this one. This was the break-even kind of day for me, just slightly over, nothing to brag about, but hey, can't go broke taking a profit. So I'm going to always take those and roll with those. Then the last one sent was, I was looking at, game plan was catch this at 64, which was really 65. And this did it. It was just that I was already engaged with the other stock with AIM, AIM. So anyhow, this thing just kind of faded. Look, it was just basically fading all morning and kept fading, and then it came in and hit my buy area, which was down here at 65, and all you needed was 65. You need 6 cents for 10%. So you needed 71. Didn't give you that. Gave you 70, but you still could have walked out of here with an 8 or 9% trade. I didn't take it because, like I told you, I was already in the other one. So those were the opportunities for me today, at least for what I was looking at. So that would have been, the one that would have made it. Okay, this one, 2, just didn't work out the way we wanted. And then if we would have paid DYNT early, but that wasn't what I was looking to do. That was not me working my plan, and it's very important that you work your plan. So there it is, my friends. Glare. There we go. It should be a little bit better. Still got a little bit of a glare. Go. So yeah, sorry about that. I'll learn on the next video. Anyway, in and out, just under 6 minutes. I was trying to do it in 5, but that was what was going on today. So when everybody tells you that things aren't moving, all kind of stuff, as a day trader, your job is to find opportunities, and you can't worry about the market in regards to everybody's fears. This is going to happen. No one knows. I can just tell you this, that even in all the sell-off, I can show you stocks that were spiking big on the sell-off days. So you just got to be able to find it and take advantage of it. All right, I'll match y'all tomorrow. Have at it. See you later.